Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can lock Snapchat on Android or iOS devices. So there are multiple ways how you can actually lock your Snapchat application. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the ways that I think is the best for Snapchat application. So from them, the first application is AppLocker Go. You can get this in both App Store and Play Store. You can just simply download it and install it. And then just simply open and create a 4-digit master password. Now you can just simply add your Snapchat in this and lock it. In this application you have multiple features. You can hide your gallery photos, or you can hide your applications or messages, anything of that sorts. And in the matter of security, it has multiple types of passwords like passcode, password, patterns, fingerprint, and etc. Now I will show you another application just like this, whose name is Secret App Locker. This is one of the best applications available in the Play Store or App Store. You can just simply download and install it and then just press open. In this you can again create passcodes, patterns, fingerprints, face ID, anything you may like. Now in this application you have more features compared to the last one. In this you can lock the entire Google Store. You can also stop your kids from purchasing anything from any application. So just enable the lock for Snapchat and the application will be locked. Now there is one more application that I want to mention, which is, this is one of my favorite app locker application that I use because it has all the same features as the previous ones. You can create multiple passwords, locks, but the best part about this application is whenever someone tries to open up your application with the incorrect password, it will automatically lock the application and will also take a selfie of the person opening the application. So that's the reason why this application is my favorite. But there is one more way you can actually lock your application, and that is simply go to your settings and search App Lock. So as you can see, my device has an inbuilt feature which has the capability of locking apps. This feature might not be available in all the phones, but in some phones it might be. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.